लग जावण मैनू तेरे गम लग जावण मैनू तेरा वाल विगाड़ा होवे लोकाचारी तकड़े आ दिल चोरी चोरी खोवे आशिक दा दिल शीशे वर्गा लगे ठेस ते टुट खलोवे लगे ठेस ते टुट खलोवे घर आ जानियो दिल लगदा मेरा आ जानियो दिल लगदा.
Hello and welcome to India Post Live, India's first online live conversation web portal. I'm Miss Yang Muputia. Well, I'm back with another music wizard. Their blend of music is a meditative with rock and Sufi. And their debut album GRA consists of hits like Tarse Naina, GRA. And you know who I'm talking about. Members of Pratigya, welcome to India Post Live, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I have with me Nishant, he's the vocalist of the band, and Gautam, he's the lead guitarist of the band. I'm also joined online by Abhishek. Abhishek is joining us from Mumbai. Welcome to India Post Live, Abhishek. Okay. Seem to have some audio problem. Okay, let me first start with you, Nishant. Tell us about, how would you define your music to someone who's never heard Pratigya before?
Okay, before that, I would like to tell you something about this band. Basically, we started our music career in 2009.
Okay.
And
that was when the band was launched?
Yes, right. And me and Gautam was in same school. And after that, I joined my college, DU University. Then I met with my other members. Param Khanna is the drummer, Iqbal Hussain is the bass guitarist, and Akshay is the keyboardist.
So how many members are there? I mean, altogether you?
5 members.
Five
are there.
members.
Okay, 5 members.
Yeah.
Okay, big band.
It's 5 members, yeah, and we have got some other players also who join us sometimes in shows and everything. So what we define our music, basically, it's not. The first album was like experimenting with everything. So we got some good hip hop beats and a good Sufi indie song, and some
One
Qawwali, a proper Qawwali song and a pop
Okay,
song.
interesting.
So it's like a mixture of 5 songs and you got everything over there. And maybe if people will love it, they're gonna love it, I mean, from heart. That's the first thing
Yeah.
that comes to our album. It's just from the heart, and people, if they love it, then
So whatever you write, I mean, who writes the lyrics for your songs?
Nishant.
So whatever you do, it's from the heart.
Yeah, obviously, music is sub heart. That's
So
it.
it's you have to have that
you have
connection.
the
Right,
connection
right.
right between, right.
Okay, so I'm joined online by Abhishek. Okay, Abhishek, can you hear us?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. So Abhishek, we have Pratigya in our studio today.
Okay.
Okay, so do you listen to music, Abhishek?
A bit of.
Sorry?
A bit.
Okay.
While traveling.
So you just heard Pratigya playing the debut album, the song from the debut album GRA, and also the album is also called GRA. So what do you think of this song, and you have any questions or something to ask?
Not this song, because when they were playing the song, there was some problem with my speakers, so I was not able to hear them properly. But yeah, just one thing that given that I was not able to hear them properly at the first instance.
Okay,
just wanted to know
Abhishek, sorry to interrupt you. Can you tilt your laptop a bit? Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, I was just saying that given that I was not able to hear at the first instance, would like to know what sort of songs they are more interested in. Is it rock, Sufi, or hip hop? Is what sort of?
I'll make him listen for like 20 seconds then what we actually
So he wants to know like what specific genre you guys
What
hit.
specific genre?
We don't have any specific genre, to be frank.
To be frank, I mean, we don't stick to any particular genre. We keep on experimenting because music is all about experimenting. So
Yeah,
it's
I
like
know.
we don't stick to any particular genre. We try to improve ourselves by experimenting with new music and everything. So it's like the first album, like I said, is a mixture of every song. But in particularly, we are into Sufi indie, Bollywood, like a Dhinchak music you call today right now. So, but yeah, Sufi indie, pop, you can
So,
call it.
are you playing something for Abhishek so that
Yeah,
he
sure,
gets
why
a
not?
Why not?
clearer understanding of what your music is all about? Okay, Abhishek, this is for you.
ਹੋ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਪਲ ਚੈਨ ਨਾ ਆਵੇ ਹੋ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਪਲ ਚੈਨ ਨਾ ਆਵੇ ਸਜਣਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਬਿਨਾ ਉਹ ਸਜਣਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਬਿਨਾ ਹਾਏ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਪਲ ਚੈਨ ਨਾ ਆਵੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਪਲ ਚੈਨ ਨਾ ਆਵੇ ਸਜਣਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਬਿਨਾ ਉਹ ਸਜਣਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਬਿਨਾ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਸੋ ਮਚ
Okay, Abhishek,
Thanks,
I'm
yeah.
sure now you know what kind of music do they.
Yeah, great. Thanks a lot. I really like this song. It was really nice to hear it from you. It's awesome.
Okay, Abhishek, we'll just get back to you. We also have Vinayak Dutt. Vinayak. Okay, Vinayak.
Hello. Hi.
Hi.
Can you hear me?
Hello.
Yeah. Hi. They just said that they are comfortable in Sufi. I just wanted if they can sing that एक कुड़ी जिसदा नाम मोहब्बत है. It was by Rabi Shergill after Bulla Ki Jana Main Kaun.
What's your name?
Vinayak.
Vinayak, basically we don't stick to only Sufi, we also perform rock. So you want to sing a rock song?
Or we can sing Bulla Ki Jana by Rabbi Shergill if you want
Yeah.
to.
Yeah.
Have you,
Sure,
do you
sure.
listen to
Bulla.
Coke Studio? Do you listen to Coke Studio?
Yeah, I do listen to the Coke Studio.
Okay.
But if you can this Tumba or Jugni by Arif Lohar.
Okay, fine. Jugni.
Okay, Jugni. This is for you, Vinayak.
ਅਲਫਲਾ ਇਸ਼ਕੇ ਦੀ ਬੂਟੀ ਵੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਮੁਰਸ਼ਦ ਮਣ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਾਈ ਹੋ ਨਵੇਂ ਉਸ ਬਾਤ ਦਾ ਪਾਣੀ ਦੇ ਕੇ ਹਰ ਜਾਈ ਹੋ ਉਹ ਜੁਗ ਜੁਗ ਜੀਵੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਮੁਰਸ਼ਦ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਿਸੇ ਬੂਟੀ ਲਾਏ ਹੋ ਫਿਰ ਮੇਰੇ ਆਹ ਜੁਗਣੀ ਜੀ ਏ ਵੇ ਅੱਲਾ ਵਾਲਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਜੁਗਣੀ ਜੀ ਏ ਵੇ ਨਵੇਂ ਪਾਕ ਦੀ ਜੁਗਣੀ ਜੀ ਏ ਵੇ ਮੌਲਾ ਅਲੀ ਵਾਲੀ ਜੁਗਣੀ ਜੀ ਏ ਵੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਪੀਰ ਦੀ ਜੁਗਣੀ ਜੀ ਏ ਵੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਸਭ ਸੇ ਦੀ ਜੁਗਣੀ ਜੀ ਏ ਵੇ ਮੌਲਾ ਅਲੀ ਵਾਲੀ ਜੁਗਣੀ ਜੀ ਏ ਵੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਪੀਰ ਦੀ ਜੁਗਣੀ ਜੀ ਦਮ ਗੁਟਕੂ ਦਮ ਗੁਟਕੂ ਦਮ ਗੁਟਕੂ ਉਹ ਦਮ ਗੁਟਕੂ ਦਮ ਗੁਟਕੂ ਉਹ ਦਮ ਗੁਟਕੂ ਦਮ ਗੁਟਕੂ ਉਹ ਦਮ ਗੁਟਕੂ ਗੁਟਕੂ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ
There you go, Vinayak.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
how did you
Good
find
song.
it?
Yeah. It was really good.
Okay. Thank you so much, Vinayak. Anything else?
Anything
Yeah,
else?
sure. Another song is by from the Coke Studio from Sai Zahoor. If they
Sahil?
can present any of his
Which-
songs, Sai Zahoor.
I mean, we didn't heard the song.
Sahil Zaruram, I don't know.
Sai.
Anything.
Okay. Vinayak, you think of another song in the meanwhile, I will just get back to you. Okay?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So, tell us a bit about your debut album, GRA. You just released last year, right?
Yeah, we just released.
Total
Tell us
we have
about-
5 songs in the album. First Tarsanena, second Polo Tujhe.
I love Tarsanena. I cannot get over Tarsanena. I mean, believe me. Whole day I was listening to Tarsanena.
Yeah, it's-
Okay,
it's
I
like
shouldn't be saying
one of
this
the
on
favorite
camera. I was
songs
working
from
too.
the album. Like everyone loves that song from the
And-
For
album.
this song, basically I had given 25 takes.
So, okay.
Because you need that feel and you need that thing ongoing.
Yeah.
So that's why.
And the song is just, that's up to my scale.
So what is Tarsanena all about? I mean, I'm curious to know. Whose brainchild is Tarsanena? Tell us.
Not exactly. It's like the thing, but it's the thing that comes from the heart, right? When you're playing and it just comes
If
from
I'm
the
not,
heart.
if I'm not mistaken, it's about some girl, right?
Not really, but yeah, but some
okay.
maybe in past, maybe.
I can see that, from where you guys draw your inspiration from.
Yeah, so like you have to be broken-hearted if you want to be a musician, right?
Yeah, I know. I think all the musicians say that You know, in order to write good lyrics, you have to be heartbroken.
You have to like believe in something, right?
You know, love is blind.
Yeah, you have to believe in something. So it's like maybe inspiration comes from there, maybe something else.
Okay, on that note, let me get back to Abhishek. Abhishek?
Hello.
Yeah, so we were just talking about how for good lyrics, you need to be heartbroken. Do you agree with that?
I'm not sure whether it's heartbroken or not, but yeah, it has to come from heart. Whether heart is broken or it is happy,
Right,
it has to
right.
come from heart.
So have you been heartbroken, Abhishek, in life?
No, not yet.
I think that's a lie, Abhishek. I don't believe you.
No, that's a fact. That's a fact.
Okay, anyway, but you must listen to Tarse Naina. I bet you will love it.
Yeah.
Can you please play
Sure.
Tarse Naina, at least for me?
Yeah,
Because
sure,
I
sure,
love
sure,
it.
sure.
Full song, can we play?
तुझसे हूँ जुदा मैं गले लगा ले तू तुझसे हूँ जुदा मैं गले लगा ले तू कैसी दीवानेगी सर पे मेरे कैसी दीवानेगी सर पे मेरे हाँ हाँ सोने या तेरी याद में तरसे रे मोरे नैना तेरे बिना सोने या तेरी चाह में तरसे रे मोरे नैना तेरे बिना 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 Thank you so much.
To hear more, you have to buy the album.
Okay, buy the album and do not download.
Do not download.
Yeah?
Stop copying.
Okay, stop copying and do not download and buy the album.
Yeah, I
GR.
mean, this is the message I want to give to all the listeners and everybody who believes in music. Like,
Hmm?
try promoting Indian music also. Because
Yeah, that's what I wanted to
Yeah.
come to that, very
Ah.
interesting thing that there's a lot of,
Yeah.
music out there and you can easily
Yeah.
download. So what do you feel about? Do you think that in a way, like your kind of originality gets lost,
No.
downloading songs and in the remix version you have the cover version.
see, it's not really, but it's
Mm-hmm.
all about the music. I mean, I don't mind if a person gonna remix my song.
Do you download songs?
Obviously I do. Everyone does it. I mean, it's a truth. Like now, it's like a world truth. Like everybody downloads music.
Yeah, I know.
Everybody does it.
You can't help it because
But still, I mean, there's some chance like people still buy an album. Like if I hear a good music, a
Mm-hmm.
good musician, like I'll go buy a Metallica ka album. I'll go
Mm-hmm.
buy a Justin Bieber ka album. But why not? Why not this?
why not this?
Why not
Buy the
this?
album GRA by Pratigya. It's awesome, guys. Okay, Abhishek,
Yeah.
what do you say about downloading music? Do you download music?
Yeah,
the
I
internet?
do download.
Okay.
I download. I do download songs.
Mm-hmm. But do you think that's in a way it's killing the the music industry?
No, actually, that was the point. I wanted to just to know their opinion about it. They said means we should promote Indian music. So what exactly that means? Means like someone, if they suppose there is a local colloquial Punjabi song, if someone is rapping it up or remixing it a bit, so is it wrong? Do they consider it as something wrong or something that shouldn't be done?
No, not really, I guess. I mean, if he's doing good to the music and if he's also promoting the artist and the musician itself by remixing the song, and he's also promoting himself as well. So that's not a problem because it's like a both way communication is done. But maybe I don't know about other artists, but for me, it's like if somebody is taking my song, then he has to do good to match the quality of the song. But
Yeah.
that's the only thing we want from other people if they're using our music. That's the only thing we want. I mean, they should do justice to the song.
You don't want to compromise on the quality of the kind of music that you do.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the
Okay.
main thing.
Okay, can I have Vinayak? Vinayak is sitting quietly there. Vinayak?
Hello.
Yeah, Vinayak, please go
Yeah.
ahead.
Yeah, I just wanted to ask them, like, they're saying that songs are being downloaded. Being a singer, how will they make their living then? Like, if everybody starts downloading and people, there's no trend. Like, we used to buy albums a few years back. How are they planning to survive, to make the living?
Music makes us survive, that's all. If you count like surviving, then we'll tell you like we do shows and everything. People have to beg us to come to the show.
Right.
Because that's the quality we are maintaining. People have to like get there. So you have to maintain that quality. I'm just saying, just don't lose the quality of the music.
Yeah.
That's all I'm saying.
I think that's really
If
important.
you
Don't-
maintain the quality of the music, if you maintain the dignity of the music, then everybody's gonna call you and gonna come like you have to play then everything. And if you are doing justice to the music, then it's all fine. That's all I could say.
Okay. Okay, so Vinayak, we'll just get back to you. We were just talking about GRA and I just cut you short. I'm really sorry about that. So, tell us what went into the making of GRA. Like, tell us a bit about GRA. Okay, he's the guy.
He's the guy.
I'm the guy, yes.
He's the guy.
GRA. We started this album, I think, in 2010.
2010.
Okay.
And that's it, 5 songs we have.
Like
Darsan
we
and
were
I.
making songs like from past 2-3 years coming from that time, and then we thought let's put it somewhere. Like you have to put your thoughts somewhere. Like if you're an artist, you have to draw something. Same thing. We thought let's record.
And trust me, 85% credit goes to our music director.
That's
Okay.
Manan
And
Bhardwaj.
Manan
Manan
Bhardwaj.
Bhardwaj. Okay.
Yeah.
Because he's the guy who thought I can grab their vision and then make it that, and he did that. So that was our vision, and he did that. So he made a lot of improvement in the band, and we learned from him a lot, like musically even, and like to grow more in the industry.
So when not making music, what do you guys do?
What do you guys do?
Yes, apart from music.
I'm doing graphic designing right now.
Mm-hmm.
So this is my last year in college, and Nishant.
This guy just completed my graduation, and now I'm planning to do MBA, but not yet.
Other than that, I'm not talking about like what you're doing in terms of your education. But what do you guys do? How do you chill out,
Alright, chill.
relax?
Chilling is always with.
You go out on a date. Don't tell me that you don't have girlfriends because
trust me, we don't have
I
any
don't want to believe.
No.
You don't have girlfriends, but you do go out on a date.
Wait, I mean, we got a lot of things like to go for a date, but we don't date anybody right now.
Right? Don't tell me music is my first girlfriend.
No, not no, not that. Like, I mean, we are at some stage now. Like, we want to go beyond.
Okay, you want to go beyond. Okay, guys, the clock is ticking and we've almost come to the end of our show. So before I wrap up the show, last comments from Vinayak and Abhishek. Vinayak, please go ahead.
I just wanted to know what is the take on Honey Singh and his latest lettering song.
Okay, that's interesting.
What?
Honey Singh, Desi Kalakar.
Honey Singh, and he's apparently coming up with a new song. It's called, the lyrics is called Latrin, I'm doing my shit or something.
We really didn't hear the song. I mean, see, I tell you one line and it's gonna explain everything. Some people work for class, some people work for mass. That's
That's
the
it.
only difference. That's all I can say.
And what do you work for?
Well, you know that.
Yes,
and we don't
that's
have
why
to say
you're
that.
here.
So that's why
Yeah.
we are.
So Honey Singh is working for class or for the mass? What is their opinion? Do they?
I really don't know, man. I mean, he actually know.
You just have to read the thin line, Vinayak.
I'm just quoting herself, like just to be on the safe side. Like some people work for class and some people work for mass. It's a true factor.
Yeah.
I mean,
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Vinayak. Thank you so much. Abhishek?
Yeah, hi. Yeah, it was really nice listening to you guys. It was really awesome. Means whatever little bit I have heard, obviously I haven't heard other songs, which is the first time that I'm hearing it. It was really very soulful, right? It seems to be coming from the heart. It's
Thank
very
you so much.
soulful.
thank you, man.
So I wish you all the best for your upcoming album. Just keep promoting Indian music like that, as you have said.
Yeah.
So,
And you keep on sharing our music and
yeah,
everything.
so Abhishek, since you have liked their music, first thing you do is log on to Facebook, like Pratigya the band on
And
Facebook
share.
page, and share it and then listen to their music and do not download and buy the album.
Absolutely. And one more thing before wrapping, I would like to. It will be really great if they can sing the song that Damadam Mast Kalandar, if possible.
Okay.
Oh wow. This is for you, Abhishek.
ओ लाल मेरी पत रखियो बला झूले लालड़ सिंधड़ी दा सेवण दा सती शाबाश कलंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दा पहला नंबर हो दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दा पहला नंबर हो लाल मेरी हो लाल मेरी ओ चार चराग तेरे जलन हमेशा हाय चार चराग तेरे बलन हमेशा पंजवा में बालण आइयों बला झूले लालण सिंधड़ी दा सेवण दा सती शाबाश कलंदर है दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दा पहला नंबर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दा पहला नंबर.
There you go, Abhishek. Damadam Mast Kalandar.
Awesome.
Thank you, Abhishek.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us on India Post Live. Thank you, Vinayak. Okay, guys, we have come to the end. And before we go, one last thing, what is there in store? Like, what are your future ventures, plans, any tours, any upcoming albums coming?
Yeah, next year we'll be coming up with the new album.
Album 2.
Album 2.
Okay.
And right now we are thinking to release a solo. It's a new solo. And we're experimenting with Punjabi now.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, to
Like
get
different
the-
languages, Punjabi, Haryanvi.
and everything.
Oh, okay. So you're moving towards folk music.
Right.
Not like particularly folk music,
Like
but we're gonna
one or
take
two
the
songs.
vocals from there and we're
Oh.
gonna give the music to
I
them.
would love to hear that. And
So-
when you launch your next album next year,
Next
come
year,
back to India Post Live.
yeah, sure.
Yes,
sure.
No
definitely.
problem. Definitely.
Okay, so but before I wrap up, there's a huge request coming up from across the studio, which is from my producers. Bol tujhe.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Bolo tujhe.
Okay,
Bolo
okay,
tujhe. Sorry,
okay,
bolo
fine.
tujhe. So it's like on popular demand. Okay. So before I do this, before you guys do this, I would like to thank you, Nishant and Gautam, for coming to India Post Live and
Pleasure.
sharing
Thank
your
you so
music.
much.
Thank you so much for calling us and.
I mean, it's been a pleasure,
Yeah.
pleasure. I must.
I mean, thank you so much. I mean, and we really want to thank you, and you guys are doing a good job, and I mean, taking local bands and everything, and keep promoting like this the local bands. I mean, they feel confident
Yes.
enough to get into near future and everything. So, thank you for calling us.
Okay, so on that note, with Bolo Tujhe, we're gonna wrap up the show. Thank you, Nishant and Gautam, and thank you, Vinayak and Abhishek. Thank you, guys. Bolo Tujhe for you.
Okay, Bolo Tujhe is an album song. दिल तेरा जहाँ भी तेरी सांस तेरी 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 बोलूं तुझे तो मैं ये लब थर थराते हैं कैसी कहानी है जो तुमको सुनाते हैं बोलूं तुझे तो मैं ये लब थर थराते हैं कैसी कहानी है जो तुमको सुनाते हैं बोलूं मैं क्या समझ नहीं समझाओ ना दिल तेरा जहाँ भी तेरी सांस तेरी, दिल तेरा जहाँ भी तेरी सांस तेरी.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.